Hey fellow ballers, we're here in a junk shop in Manila, Philippines, and since it's raining hard now, it's a rainy season here. We're looking to get cheap materials for our DIY bike stand. Yeah, we're looking for our materials for our bike stand. So let's check it out if we can find something or piece of metal that we can do. Oh, there's a frame for BMX, but that's not what we're looking for. There are also some rims in here. Suspension for motor. Another frame. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is a hard metal, plus it won't require any welding. You just need screws. Just connect it, form a stable foundation, perhaps a square type or a rectangular shape. Just a stable foundation, and then you build this up, put some screws in it, and vertically you have a DIY stand. I found it. I found what I'm looking for. So we'll take this. Let's go. Hi guys, Ballers Pinas once again. And remember the stuff that I got from the junk shop here in Manila? Here it is. The DIY homemade cheapest bike repair stand ever. Yeah, I'm claiming it now, man. Below 100 pesos budget. Just gotta hustle in the junk shop. Find those metals with rivets, with screw slots here and there, so you can connect them without welding. And here it is, the finished product. Now let's try to mount the bike here to see how it works. There you go guys, I've already placed my folding bike on the stand, and it's fresh from the rain. It's dirty. As you can see, it's wet. Now I can clean the bike easily. I can turn the pedal, put some grease on it, and then try it there. Yes, this DIY bike stand rocks, and I hope you find something cheap, and then you just turn it into something better, man. This DIY bike stand, thumbs up this one. Special thanks to those who assisted me in the junk shop. And there you go guys, I really love this. Hope you too will find a way to make your own, so you can clean your bike easily. Thanks for watching guys. God bless and ride safe. The clearance, once again.